The very first iPhone was introduced 10 years ago, supercharging the smartphone industry and changing the face of technology forever. The items the iPhone replaced could fill a warehouse of nostalgia, stuffed with things like maps, flashlights, clocks, scanners, video cameras, iPods, calendars, calculators, and computers, all now available from the convenience of your phone. The iPhone put the internet in the palm of our hands. Globally, voice traffic grew incrementally year over year, while data traffic exploded. The original Apple App Store contained only 500 apps. Now there's over 5 million available on Apple and Google stores. App stores change the way that software is distributed and generate billions in revenue each year. Smartphones put powerful cameras and editing tools in everyone's pockets, making us all prolific photographers. The advent of smartphones meant on-demand apps like Uber and Lyft could change the way people work. Currently, there are about 4 million on-demand workers in the US, and that number is expected to double in the next 4 years. iPhones might have even contributed to a decline in gum sales. Instead of making impulse buys at the checkout counter, we're staring at our phones. Thanks to smartphones, by 2019, people will spend over 2 hours a day consuming media on their phones, watching TV, reading, socializing, an activity we used to do in person. Smartphones haven't just changed our habits, they've changed the way we spend money. Mobile advertising spending is expected to surpass desktop for the first time this year. Remember when Apple was struggling? These days, Apple is the most valuable company in the world. Although Samsung sells more smartphones than Apple, Apple's iPhone costs a lot more, so Apple makes more money per phone. A decade ago, the majority of Apple's revenue consisted of iPod sales. Today, iPhones make up 63% of its $216 billion in revenue last year. So happy birthday, iPhone. You've come a long way since 2007.